Lenovo's gaming sub-brand Legion recently introduced the latest devices designed for gamers, prioritizing cooler thermals, AI enhancements, and improved battery life. Additionally, the new Legion laptops will leverage on integrated machine learning to further upgrade gameplay settings and frame rates. The Legion X60 Intel lineup consists of the IdeaPad Gaming 3i, Lenovo Legion 5i and 5i Pro and Lenovo Legion 7i. All of these devices are built on the brand's combination of uncompromising engineering and industrial design, and backed by the intelligent Lenovo Legion Cold Front 3.0 thermals and multiple sensors on the hardware that predict the system's thermal curve for hours of gaming with zero throttling.